This camera is super close and I don't know how to unzoom it. So this is our practice slime that we made, and my camera is dirty as hell. Let me clean it. Okay, that's better. So here's our practice slime. It's sticky. Alright. I don't even got a cameraman. You want to be my cameraman, Kelly?
Sure, I'll be the cameraman.
Yay, come here and vlog me.
What?
Hold the camera on me.
You're nice.
Well, on the slime. Yeah. Okay. So this is our practice slime. Can I see it?
Yep.
This is our practice slime. Cause we were just practicing. This is with the pink glitter glue.
Turned out to be.
Yeah, it turned out to be like a really light pink from where did you live? It turned out to be really light. Cause it came from
Because it's from that way.
oh, y'all put some baby glue in there? Yeah. Alright, so I put some of the liquid in there. It's sticky, y'all.
I'm trying to see how I get my motherfucking English back.
Dude.
I was speaking no motherfucking white Chinese language.
Let me see.
Yeah, that's motherfucking white Chinese language. And if white people watching this, y'all white as hell.
Dude. You racist.
I'm just playing.
Don't listen to him. He on that mouth.
I'm on that Molly Percocet stuff.
Oh, I think I just lost
How'd it taste?
I don't know. I don't know.
She had it too much on her side, so.
But yeah.
No, it's done.
I'll be back.
Now it's working.
It's back to English.
No, this shit is thinking ain't working.
Alright, here, let me see the camera. We will be back.
Proof of follow it.
Okay. So I got this bowl. I may be with my daddy on Father's Day.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm gonna make a Father's Day vlog. Follow me on YouTube, you know.
Follow.
Subscribe. Subscribe, you know. Or this creepy dude right here will come and get you.
I'll beat your ass.
Oh wow. Alright, so we're gonna.
And Trinicia, I'm coming for your ass, just to let you know.
How do you know she watched my videos? Like, I don't even know who watched my videos.
Yes, you can. You can find out who watch your videos.
On YouTube?
Eee. Let's add a little more.
Maya!
What? I barely even. Hand me that detergent and that fork. Okay.
No, add some glitter glue in there.
Add some glitter glue. No, add green glitter.
Give me some green and pink.
Yeah, mix it together.
So he mixed it in some pink. I'm finna mix in some green.
How can I mix it up?
Gang. Yeah. Come on.
You gotta come over here, Jelly, because I'm recording it. I'm vlogging it.
Here, put that in that bag.
Alright. Let's see how this color turns out.
I'm gonna start you. I'm gonna start you up.
Alright. Ew, this is gonna be like a real, like brown.
Whoa. Come on.
Alright, now give it to
You
you.
can mix it.
Here, alright, I mix it.
Oh, like that little color right there.
You don't.
Give me the detergent. Shit.
It's right here. Add it in.
Sometimes.
I want to leave it this color because it's like
Nothing wrong with it.
shit.
That's my.
Here, go ahead, add it. Alright.
Oh, Trinicia. Just let Trinae know she go. And bring your sister around. So.
I don't.
No, that's a fish. That girl is kind of burning.
Okay.
Now, why you gonna leave Trinicia?
So I'm mixing this up real good, y'all. Let's give it like a little feel. It's kind of sticky. It's kind of sticky still.
No, if you add a lot of a little bit more detergent, it won't be sticky like that.
Are you getting my camera in here? Turn my parachute down. It's like you can't even tell that we put any color in there, but on the camera you can because it's so up close. Give me the detergent. You said you didn't open it.
Nope. Now this time I'm finna make Jaden's stuff. Shit. I got a
The fuck is wrong?
This dude had shot somebody at the flea
Wait.
market.
What
For
happened?
what?
Hmm?
For what?
For some stupid shit. Over the $100 bill.
Where's the glue at? That ain't no stupid shit. That's money. Nigga, you don't play with my money.
No,
The detergent. Where's the
dude
detergent,
had a
Jaden?
$50 bill.
Jaden, where's the detergent?
You want the detergent?
Nuh-uh, you poured it in.
There you go right there.
Alright, give your hand. Alright, y'all, so
I placed it lately on my old Instagram.
delete Leah off of your Instagram, because
What's wrong with putting her on my Instagram?
because I don't know how on your Instagram. This looks so pink in the camera. Come here, Jaden. Look at my camera. It's pink on my camera. Look.
Because you did something to it.
No, I
Yes, you
did.
did.
I ain't do nothing to my camera. It's pink on my camera, but it's white. Y'all, this is not pink. It's white. Don't do that, bro, because if you make my tablet fall, I'm about to beat your ass.
There, come on.
Alright, so you gotta use your hands sometimes to work it in.
It's like you picking up a dick.
Dude, my channel is rated R.
I'm sorry.
So what that mean? What rated are you?
It's like I probably have little kids watching me.
Oh.
Then you got to delete that right there.
No, I'm not. If they heard you, I'm sorry, little kids.
Yeah,
Add
I'm
more.
sorry too.
No, you're not.
But Janicia, come over to
Shut the
Joker's
fuck up.
house.
She don't even.
She can't come over here.
She'll come over here because
This
she
camera
get it
professional.
mollywopped. She get
Molly, what?
Jaden, add some more up in here because my hands are little.
What's kind of detergent?
Here, add it in my hand. Yeah, I can't see nothing. Jaden, grab the camera. Jaden, grab the camera and record me doing this.
Girl, you've gone too long.
What, the video's long?
Mm-hmm.
So?
7 minutes and 51 seconds.
So? Don't nobody care. You better not stop my video either.
I took a capture of you picking up a dick.
Dude!
I was just
Rated R!
didn't remember that.
You gotta remember, my channel is rated R. You don't even know.
How you
if
put
I
it as
got-
rated R?
I only can say certain stuff.
And they will
On here.
delete your YouTube.
No, they can't
Look
do
at
that.
her filthy ass hands.
Fuck you, bitch.
Hey, little
I
kids.
curse on her, but like rated R shit, like you.
Like, who cares if the little kid's looking? Who cares?
I care, cause then they gonna tell you, they gonna ask their mommy, what's up? Yeah, and they're like, where the fuck you get that shit from? And they be like, on YouTube. What's up,
Sir.
dude?
What is this? Huh? Oh, I thought you said you.
All right,
This
y'all.
girl so.
Oh, car keys. Oh, Jelly, that's that car.
Cross gates!
Be quiet, do you have it? But that's that one fine ass dude. Like,
Go out with him.
that nigga is grown. That nigga grown.
Did you hear me?
Ass full.
What's that?
I said, cross gates!
Shut up.
Hell to no.
What
Put it. You not putting it on there. Alright, so here's the slime. It's a little sticky, but you gotta work.
We
with
selling that for Father's Day.
it.
$5.
I like this slime.
I'm recording your face just to let you know. That's y'all subscriber. Follow her on YouTube.
Hey, no, get all of
Maya Baby 2X.
No,
Deuces.
baby Maya. Don't end it. 'Cause I will cut you. I'm gonna play about my I don't want to call them subscribers because that's rude, but don't play when it comes to my peoples.
Angelica, shouldn't we sell this?
But I love this.
Yeah.
Make you another one.
With this much fucking.
Yeah, make you another one.
Why would you put it there?
Oh, sorry.
Like,
Huh? What's the meaning?
Hurry up, I'll put some more in there. I got your back. I'll say I got it from my house.
Alright, yeah, he just go put y'all back
Small bowl.
in the bowl. Put a little small one there so I could like work with that way. Cause that one is some work. I'm done with this one.
What I'm gonna do?
Let me turn y'all around. Cause
Where
this
is the
nigga-
small
I'm
bowl?
not gonna be no cameraman.
We just had the small bowl though.
For real, dude. You might take it in the house.
Yeah.
Hand me a Ziploc bag. You gotta keep your slime fresh, boy or girl. Like,
We need that one with the bowl.
ooh. I can't, Jelly. It's gonna get stuck to my hand. It's getting stuck to my hand. It's not sticky, y'all. It's just that. What the fuck are you doing? It's just that it's. Jada helped me. It's just like, oh, you on live.
You do like this. He said, Break, see that bowl over there?
And my sisters watch this. Shit. And my sisters watch this. Hello, motherfuckers.
There you go, Brett.
Okay. Alright, so.
I got a
So
question
I'm
for
about-
white folks. Why y'all motherfuckers so crispy with black folks? Why y'all like to talk about black folks?
Let me see that smile.
Wait. Alright, y'all, look at it.
If we sell next 5 days, how much?
$10.
$10.
That look like 15 right there.
Right.
15. Yeah, if y'all want to buy this, hit me up on my Instagram. Ooh, that's a recipe.
Buy
Babe,
baby 2X.
2 times, dude. It's 2 times.
Well, I said 2X.
It's 2 times, dude.
What?
What car?
No,
Bruh, yes. Swear to God, Jelly. I swear for God.
What
In
y'all
that
talk about me and my mom?
But yeah, it's. I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna do a story time on it on that time.
Okay, but not right now.
Yeah.
Right.
Alright, bye, y'all.